Hey traders, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. In this video, we're talking about day trading. More specifically, we're talking about gap trading and how gap trading is by far the single most consistent and profitable day trading strategy you're going to find across the markets today. I do a couple of things. The first one is I teach a course where traders learn two specific gap trading strategies. The first one is known as the morning gap trades. This is where stocks that are gapping higher or lower at the open, generally from a news-related event or an earnings announcement, when they gap higher or lower, it creates an opportunity for traders. And the opportunity for traders is when they can identify a specific price where these stocks will first be drawn to like a magnet and then have a price reaction from in the other direction. You're looking at one of the morning gap trades on the board right now, Barracuda Networks. We're going to go over this chart in detail in a minute, but first let me go over the second strategy taught in the course, which are the gap fill trades. This is where stocks that do gap higher or lower at the open, they leave what's called an open gap. At some point in the future, these open gaps are likely to be filled. In the course, I teach traders how to track them. I give them a tool to track them, and then of course I teach traders how to trade them. Not all trades are created equal, so it's very important to understand which ones are the highest probability trades on the board, and in the course at Lazy Gap Trader, traders learn exactly which ones are those high probability trades. The second thing I do is give traders an opportunity to get my gap trade sent to them each and every day at 9 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 30 minutes before the markets even open for business. Here's a copy of today's email that went out to traders, as you can see, arriving in the inbox at 9 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This morning, we had 4 potential gap trades on the board. And by the way, this week, late this week, earnings season begins. These trades are going to come fast and furious. We're going to have an endless supply of opportunity each and every day, so traders need to get their seatbelt on. Out of the 4 potential gap trade opportunities this morning, 1 hit its price level, and at the time of this video, 3 did not. When a stock does not hit its specific price level that traders learn how to calculate, it's a no trade. It's off the board. We only want to take the highest probability trades we can find. And that one was Barracuda Networks, CUDA, gap lower. Support levels are $22.61, $21.77, and $20.84. Stop and profit target is about 18 to 35 cents. This is a minimum profit target. The second part of this email contains a list of potential gap fill trades for the day. The first one on the list actually filled its gap. We'll take a look at this trade as well. You can see IRM, where the gap fill level was listed at $39.01. It's a short trade, meaning we're looking to sell the stock short as soon as it gets to $39.01. At that price, we're looking for the stock to have a pullback away from that level in the downward direction. We're going to take a look at a chart of IRM as well. The point of getting my gap trades in the morning is you're getting opportunity. I'm providing traders morning gap trades and possible gap fill trades. These are real opportunities each and every day. Here we're back on the 5-minute chart of Barracuda Networks. As you can see, the stock closed yesterday all the way up at $25.78. The stock was getting clobbered at the opening the day at $23.15 and traded lower. And what happened? It's pretty obvious. The stock came right into our $22.61 level, making a low in this candle of $22.59, just a couple of pennies below, and had an immediate rip higher. Just a few minutes later, we find the stock at a high of $23.95. That's a tremendous gain in just a matter of minutes off the level given out to traders at 9 o'clock in the morning, 30 minutes before the opening bell even rung. Keep in mind, this is the same exact price level that any trader that's taken my course at Lazy Gap Trader was able to calculate for themselves. Now you can see after the fact the stock came all the way back down, and as I make this video is actually reapproaching the $22.61 level. It doesn't matter. We're long out of this trade with a profit, and in my course, I teach traders how to book some profit along the way and let the rest ride on a risk-free, emotionless basis so they're able to squeeze as much profit as possible out of trades like this. Tremendous morning gap trade this morning. The second trade that hit its price level today was off the gap fill list. It was Iron Mountain, IRM. You can see the gap fill level was listed at $39.01. The stock went slightly higher, but stayed well within the stop loss limitation that's outlined in the course. And what happened? The stock reversed, came back to that level, and traded below that level, already making a low today of $38.71, and may trade lower yet. These are two positive trades. We're 2 for 2 right off the email that comes to the inbox at 9 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 30 minutes before the markets even opened for business. Everything you see in this video, you can learn for yourself by taking the course at Lazy Gap Trader. This is a strategy that you can use each and every day for the remainder of your trading career. You can learn everything you need to know in order to trade the gaps successfully. I'm David Frost, Lazy Gap Trader. Thanks for tuning in, folks.